Hello friends, before this video we had discussed .NET Framework architecture and compilation process in .NET Framework. Now we will discuss in this video what is ASP.NET, ASP.NET architecture and its components, characteristic of ASP.NET Framework. So let's start with what is ASP.NET. What is ASP.NET? ASP.NET is a web development platform developed by Microsoft. It is used for creating web-based application. ASP.NET was first released in year 2002. The first version of ASP.NET was 1.0. ASP.NET is designed to work with HTTP protocol. This is a standard protocol used across all web applications. ASP.NET application can also be written in a variety of .NET languages. These include C#, VB.NET and J#. The full form of ASP is Active Server Pages and the .NET is Network Embedded Technology. ASP.NET architecture and its component. ASP.NET is a framework which is used to develop a web-based application, as we told you before. So let's discuss the basic architecture of ASP.NET framework. The architecture of .NET framework is based on these key components: CLR, library and language. Common language runtime, CLR. As we discussed before in my last video, the CLR is used for performing key activities. Key activities include exception handling and garbage collection. Library. The most common library used for web application in .NET is the web library. The web library has all the necessary components used to develop .NET web-based applications. Language. A variety of language exists in .NET framework. They are VB.NET and C# and many more. These can be used to develop web application. Characteristic of ASP.NET framework. These are the characteristics of ASP.NET framework: code behind mode, state management or caching. Code behind mode. This is the concept of separation of design and code. By making this separation, it becomes easier to maintain the ASP.NET application. The general file type of an ASP.NET file is ASPX. Assume we have a web page called mypage.aspx. There will be another file called mypage.aspx.cs, which would denote the code part of the page. So Visual Studio creates separate file for each web page, one for design part and other for code part. State management. ASP.NET has facility to control state management. Let's take an example of a shopping cart application. Now, when a user decides what he wants to buy from the site, he will press the submit button and adding item in the cart. When the user goes to the purchase page, HTTP will not store the information on the cart. Additional coding needs to be done to ensure that the cart item can be carried forward to the purchase page. ASP.NET can do management on your behalf. So ASP.NET can remember the cart item and pass it over to the purchase page. Caching. ASP.NET can implement the concept of caching. This improves the performance of the application by caching those pages which are often requested by the user. These pages can be retrieved faster and better performance can be sent to the user. So caching can significantly improve the performance of an application. ASP.NET is a development language used for constructing web-based application. ASP.NET is designed to work with the standard HTTP protocol. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.